If you're someone who enjoys bringing their music along with them wherever they go, whether that's to the pool, to the beach, or on a hike, you'll want to make sure that your accessories, especially your electronics, can withstand the elements you'll likely face. Waterproof speakers aren't just meant to withstand a few splashes of water, they're meant to keep working even when submerged in water for several minutes at a time. When it comes to high-quality waterproof Bluetooth speakers, you probably immediately think of brand names like Bose, Sony, and JBL. While all of these brands may seem like they offer pretty much the same speaker with the same features, their specifications differ dramatically. To help you determine which specifications you should prioritize, we've compiled a list of some of the most popular waterproof speakers of 2023. Number 1. JBL Waterproof Speaker. The JBL waterproof speaker is a completely waterproof Bluetooth speaker, which allows it to function perfectly even when fully submerged in water. Featuring a cylindrical design, this speaker is available in a variety of bright colors. Its body is covered with a soft mesh fabric and its edges are lined with silicone for a comfortable grip. The surface includes buttons for controlling music playback and Bluetooth pairing, and a power button backlit with 5 LED dots shows you the battery level. This waterproof speaker also comes with a built-in lanyard so you can easily hang it somewhere if you don't have a surface to place it on. This speaker is one of the best speakers on the market because it offers rugged, waterproof use and superior sound quality at an affordable price. Number 2. Bose Waterproof Speaker. The Bose waterproof speaker has a decent battery life, durable construction, and impressive technical specifications, all of which go with the brand's long-standing reputation. Available in 3 colors, black, stone blue, and white smoke, this speaker is IP67 waterproof and dustproof. This speaker also floats, which is an invaluable feature if you plan on using your device near pools or lakes. The speaker's silicone back and powder-coated steel grille also makes it resistant to corrosion and UV rays. This high-quality waterproof speaker can easily be propped up horizontally, hung vertically, or laid down flat, depending on where you choose to position it. The sound will automatically be optimized according to the position you've chosen. Plus, the built-in microphone functions in a similar way. Number 3. W King Waterproof Speaker. The W King waterproof speaker is one of the biggest speakers on this list, offering 50 watts of power. This rugged-looking device delivers impressive audio thanks to its powerful output power and 2.2 acoustic driver system, which comes with 2 full-range speaker drivers, 2 tweeters with anti-distortion features, and 2 passive subwoofers. All of these combined offer clear sound, clean vocals, and crisp ranges. As a power bank to charge your smart device, there is a massive rechargeable battery. A single charge gives you enough juice to 40 hours of playtime. IPX6 waterproof mechanical casings makes it suitable for outdoor activities and passive radiators covers prevent accidental bumps and drops. Take the waterproof rugged Bluetooth speaker with you on camping trip or beach party. This speaker's robust waterproof and shockproof construction makes it ideal for rough use. So, if you're out adventuring in the woods or hiking up a mountain trail, you can easily carry this around in your backpack or on your shoulders while enjoying a dynamic audio experience. Number 4. Pile Waterproof Speaker. The Pile Waterproof Speaker is an ideal solution for anyone looking for high-quality audio. It makes a great choice for a variety of uses, including indoor and outdoor music, DJ parties, and more. It has a maximum peak power output of 300 watts, with 30 watts plus 30 watts RMS so you can play your favorite tracks as loud as you want. With its 2 6.25-inch subwoofers and high-performance 1-inch polymer dome tweeters, you get accurate surround stereo sound reproduction plus impressive bass response. This speaker set is also compatible with Bluetooth so you can use it to stream music wirelessly from your iPhone, Android device, iPod, tablet, or PC. The Bluetooth connection supports up to a 30-foot range and the audio quality remains untouched even when streaming over long distances. Plus, you can use it in wet environments thanks to its waterproof construction. With this powerful setup, you'll get crystal clear sound quality no matter where you're using it, making it the best overall on our list. Number 5. Ortisan Waterproof Speaker. The Ortisan waterproof speaker is a great choice for those who are looking for a wireless stereo pairing speaker with a hi-fi sound quality. This speaker comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, 24-watt speakers with a super strong bass, and up to 30 hours of playtime. Combined, these features offer users with broad compatibility, excellent 360-degree stereo sound performance, and long periods of uninterrupted use. Apart from the crisp, natural, and realistic sound quality. This waterproof speaker features a tri-bass EQ system with 3 different audio modes to choose from. This speaker can switch music effects between 3D deep bass, vocal, and extra bass. Plus, it also features voice assistance. This wireless and waterproof speaker has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling and a rainbow LED light show that pulses, shines, and phases to the beat of your music.